Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can deposit money or fiat currency, whatever you like to call it, into your Crypto.com wallet app with a simple bank transfer. So it's super simple, guys. Log into your Crypto.com app, you click on deposit fiat, you choose your currency, for me it's euro, and then you simply get the bank transfer details. So you just send your money to that bank account. Make sure to write everything down perfectly, because if you make a mistake, your money might not arrive. So it's very important to double check your details before sending any money. If you're not sure about it, you can already send a little bit, and when you see that it works, you can send a little bit more money. And as I said in this video, you can order a free Crypto.com Visa card where you can pay in any shop where they accept Visa. So I have the Jade Green card, so that means I get 2%. So for every $100 purchase, I get $2 worth of CRO. That might be worth a lot in the future, or might not be. Who knows? If you haven't got this app yet, I suggest you download it using my referral link in the video description. Why use a referral link? With a referral link, you'll get some reward, you'll get some extra money. Currently it's $25. So if you want $25 for free, make sure to use a referral link. I would appreciate it if you use my referral link. So if you want some more money tips and tricks, make sure to subscribe to my channel. If you found this video interesting, please give it a thumbs up. I really appreciate it, guys. It's motivation to make more videos, of course. And if you have any questions, comments, make sure to post them in the comment section below. So I hope to welcome you all soon on the crypto mining channel, you money makers. So I wish you all a great day and talk to you soon, guys. Bye bye.